Hello my dears, today we are together again and I have prepared a small but special yoga practice for you. Lots of exclusive content in my profile link. Make yourself comfortable. Take out your mat and repeat the movements with me. Are you ready? Then let's begin. The first exercise is the cat pose. Place your knees a little wider, lower your palms forward. Join your hands and stretch them as far as possible, lowering your body down. Try to arch your back and stretch, holding at the bottom point. Now we complicate it. Stay in the cat, but straighten your arms. Slowly arch your back up and down. Add circular movements with your body. First rotate to the right, then to the left. It is important to deeply feel your lower back. To enhance the effect, gently rock back and forth. This engages the muscles of your arms and legs. From the same position, do a twist. Move one hand along the floor and place it on your shoulder. Raise the other up and pull it to your lower back. Fixate a little, then change hands and repeat. And remember, you will find even more tips on the body. Lots of exclusive content in my profile link, and harmony in my social networks, and a nice bonus, live communication and photos. That's all for today. Thank you for being there. Sending you warmth and hugs.